Vive le français! Bonjour chers amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. So hello my friends, I hope that you are doing well. Today I want to tell you about phone in France. Phone in France, okay? So you are in France, you come to France, you need a phone. First, what you need is a phone number. For the phone, you have the first two digits of the phone that will tell you what type of phone you have. For the cell phone, it always starts with 06. 0606 is the cell phone. Then, depending on the place where you live, for the fixed phone, you have the first two digits that tell you where you are. For the phone like this, if it starts with 01, it means it's the phone from Paris. You live in Paris. If it starts with 02, it's another place of France. 03, 04, and 06, 07. It stops at 07. It stops at 07, I think. 07 is the last one. Okay. Now, what you have in France is you have numéro vert et numéro surtaxé. Numéro vert et numéro surtaxé. Numéro vert, they are the green number, is the free number. So some numbers are free. You have this number for the emergency, usually, so they start with 0800, 0804, 0805. These are the numbers we start with this, they are the free numbers. 0800, 0804, 0805, free number, numéro vert. Ce sont des numéros verts, they are the numéros verts. Then you have some numbers that are surtaxés, overcharged. They are the numbers that will be like 0891, 0898, 0891, 0898. They are overcharged, more expensive. So you need to be very careful. Some of them will be scam. So some people will tell you, call back. I need you to call me back. And then this number will be a scam, and they will take your money. Some numbers, sometimes you need to call some emergency, some service, like for the plumber or something. Then you have to pay a lot of money, and then you are waiting. Please wait. Press the number 1. Press the number 5. And then or sometimes the game on TV, you have to call and you can play the game and you pay a lot, in fact, because you call. And if you win, then you can win a lot, but you never win, you know. Okay, so that's how it is. Something very important that I have to tell you is this. It's called page blanche. Page blanche, and there is another one that's called page jaune. Page blanche, these are all the numbers of French people all over the France. So I will show you, you have this online. So you can type the name, the family name of the people, and you can type the location where he lives, and then you will find his phone number. Okay, so you say, okay, so this is for this department where we are. It's department by department. So you can say, okay, in this city, okay, I'm looking for someone in this city. Okay, his name is Bro. Bro is here. Okay, I have his phone number. He lives in this city. I have his family name. I can find his phone number. Les pages jaunes, this is les pages blanches. Les pages blanches. Les pages jaunes is exactly the same. Page jaune, except les pages jaunes is for the professionals, which is very important also. Let's say I'm looking for a plumber, I'm looking for someone to repair the electricity, I'm looking for someone a doctor, I'm looking for someone, I will look in page jaune, and I can find the phone number. I want to do tennis, I'm looking for a tennis coach, I will be looking at page jaune. So these are available online also. For page blanche, some people, they pay more and they say, no, I don't want my number to be inside, you know. So you have to pay a little bit more and your number will not be inside. Why people don't want their number to be inside? Because otherwise there will be people who call you and say, bonjour monsieur Bro, excusez-moi, je voudrais vous vendre, and they try to sell you some product. So people call, and they want to sell you product. So, because they just get your name from this, and they just get your phone number from this. However, today, many French people don't use this kind of phone anymore. They don't use this kind of phone anymore. Many French people, they use the cell phone. So when you use the cell phone, 06, the 06 is not inside page jaune, page blanche, you know, it's not inside anymore. If you want to call someone who lives abroad, you need to type the first two digits 00 and then the code of the country. So, for instance, I want to call someone who is in China. The code of the country is 8686, so I will type 0086. If you want to call France and you are in a foreign country, you will say 00 and then 33, 33. You shouldn't put le 0. So you know the French number, I told you the French number always start with 0, 06, 01, 02. The French number always starts with a 0. So if you are in a foreign country, you want to call me, my number starts with 01. You will first put 00, then you put the code for France, which is 33, and then you will not put 01, you will just type 1. You know, 00, 33, 1, and then the number. Okay. The rest of the number. Okay, well, let me leave you for now. One last thing that's very important, but I will show you this. Next time. When you are coming to France, you need a phone number. You need the internet. So you need to go to some phone number provider. There are some only I think 3 companies that are internet provider. I will check this because I'm coming back to France, so I will show you everything. And you need really to compare the price. And check what's the best for you. I need a cell phone, I need the internet, I need the Wi-Fi, I need the internet speed, what kind of internet speed. I will check all this, I will show you. There's only 3 companies in France, so you need to compare a little bit the price, and then you try to find the best offer for you. Let me leave you for now. À bientôt les amis. Take care.